Teamwork Desk and Teamwork Projects integrate seamlessly, allowing you to easily create tasks in Teamwork Projects from a ticket within Teamwork Desk, and doing so is really easy. So here we are in a ticket in Teamwork Desk, and if we want to add a task in Teamwork Projects for this ticket, all we have to do is select the settings cog up here, and then select Add Task. In the Add Task window, the first thing we need to do is select a project. So I'll go with the Company Newsletter A project here. Now we need to select our task list. So I'll go with the Editing Task List. And over to the right here, you can see that we can select an existing task here if we want to, or we can choose to add a new task. So since we're adding a new task, we need to give our task a name. And below this, we have all the same task options that we do in Teamwork Projects. So we can select which users we want to do this task. So let's say that I want myself and Billy. And we can easily remove a user by selecting the X icon here next to their name. We can choose to notify the user by email. And we can add our start date and our due date. We can also add a description for our task here if we want to. We can attach any file to our task. We can add tags, add priority. We can add followers for the task. We can update the privacy for the task, so who can view it. And we can add this task to a particular column in our board view. And once we're happy, we just select Create Task. And now our task is added into Teamwork Projects. And now here we are in Teamwork Projects, and you can see that in the Editing Task List, down at the bottom here, our task has been added. And you notice that we have a little desk icon here, and if we hover over it, we can see the customer, we can see the ticket subject, we can see the agent assigned the ticket number, and when the ticket was last updated. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a task in Teamwork Projects from Teamwork Desk.